sobrang sulit niya. Parang kami baliw. And I got the goodies from Jesus guys, ang mura oh. Ang daming Chinese tayo. Parang sa Chinatown, hindi ko kayang bayad ng ganun pa. Sarap! Why not try to go Penang?
I've been wandering in the dark with a cynical face.
I'm going to Penang and Singapore actually. By the way, I got this from Four Lepage, Paris. Yung SA sent me this because nakalimutan or nawala yung isang part ng bag ko. And I'm packing my things because I'm going on a very special trip. It's Penang dapat in Singapore, pero biglaan ako magkakaroon ng work trip in Singapore. And I'm so excited and I'll be, pag pinanood nyo na to, definitely naka-out for public naman na yan. For public consumption yan, pwede nang malaman. But I'm kind of super excited for this because when this was actually announced to me, or nung sinabi siya sa akin, when I was still in my flight from Tokyo to Manila, my gosh girl, sobrang tuwang-tuwa talaga ako. I literally actually felt that I was like in Cloud9. Ganun yung description ko. I know sabi nyo, yak, Jax, napakabaduy, anong Cloud9? Pero ganun talaga yung feeling ko kasi grabe, I was so happy, I was so ecstatic with it, na parang I couldn't believe na ako talaga. And then, I'm representing TikTok Philippines for the creator. May panel sila doon. So, I don't know ano pa sasabihin yet, or anong ibibigay, or anong questions, but I'm just so happy. I'm just so thank you so much. I mean, I want to thank you guys most especially because syempre you guys are everyone following me, supporting me, and without you guys, syempre wala talaga ako dito. Kaya maraming salamat. And of course, TikTok Philippines to Krisa who's always been supporting me there as well. And everyone on TikTok Philippines, like, oh my god, thank you so much. Syempre, I'm not gonna let you down. Nabubulol-bulol na ako right now because I'm just so excited. And tomorrow na siya. And sa mga haba ako, alam niyo naman, oh my gosh, ang mga red spots ko. Punong-puno na may bag. Nagawa ko sana ng video, pero hindi ako makagawa ng video kasi punong-puno siya. So nag-marhaba lang ako kasi parang tagal ko nagiging marhaba sa na-3. Gusto ko pakita sa inyo. So abangan niyo sa TikTok ko. Oh my gosh guys, so we're waiting to board. So mga 1:15 yan. We're landing na guys. Malapit na. I'm in Penang. So I just landed. Okay, don't forget, pagdating sa Malaysia, kailangan meron ko yung digital entry pass nila. Mahirap daw magkakuha ng Grab. So I'll try it out para makwento ko sa inyo kung talagang sobrang hirap ako. Sa mahirap, I recommend book via Klook. Hindi na ako nag-Klook now na transfer. It's because I wanted to try it out. Kasabi ng bestie ko, mahirap. Pero, baka naman kaya, tignan lang natin. Kasi, mas mura talaga yung Grab. But, ulungan ko. Ito yun guys. Malaysian Digital Arrival Card. Kailan meron kayo niyan? Yan. Meron ako niyan. Nagawa ko na lahat yan. Yes guys, meron naman dito. So we can do a Grab Plus or whatever. Let's just see whoever can get us there the fastest way. Tingnan natin kung may mag-accept. 44 lang oh, mura. 20 kilometers yan na. Ayan na. Boom. Guys, sa departure area ako, gate 1. Kasi sabi ng Grab driver nung tumawag, sa gate 1 daw ako sa departure. Ayan siya, oh. O, diba? So, dito, akyat ka lang ng elevator. Gate 1 yung una. Maliit lang sobrang airport niya. And then, katabi siya ng McDonald's. And then, this gate 1, gate 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lang siya. Basta maliit lang siya. And then, ang daming nakaabang dito ng mga tao. I believe, usually, kasi mahirap dun sa baba at maraming tao. So, dito ka pinapakyat. Anyways, it's 20 kilometers away and I'll see you soon. Guys, ito na yung Golden Sands dito sa Shangri-La. Oh my gosh, tour na tayo. Pagpasok mo, oh my god, ito na po yung kwarto namin. May 2 bed siya dyan, o diba? And then, here you have your waters. Lahat ng Shangri-La, alam nyo naman, diba, naka-glass. And then here you have everything, tea, cups, coffees mo. And then meron ka rin dito yung mini fridge. Now this mini fridge, binigyan to ng drinks because Tongfu is a Shangri-La Jade member. So may pa-free drinks sila dito. Ang bongga, diba? Yun talaga ang benefit if ever you're really going to become a member of all of these parang mga hotels, o diba? And then here may malaki kang mirror as well. Now the beds, we got 2 single detached beds. Medyo double yung size ito, ang malaki siya. And then, tingnan mo dito, lahat meron siya sa tabi ng kama mo, USB chargers, meron ka rin saksakan, and then your switch as well. So, everything's provided, even notepads there. And then, ito na po yung iyong balcony. Itong balcony to, pagpapakita ko sa iyo, may dalawa siyang chairs, di ba? Left and right, and then you have a table. And look at this view. Can I just show you guys? Ang ganda ng view. Tingnan mo, ang ganda. Pak! O, di ba? Ang ganda nitong view, guys. Ganda. By the way, beach na yan at saka yung dagat na yan. Hindi ko lang mapakita ngayon kasi gabi na siya. But also, ang kagandahan dito, you can also hang your things here, your clothes. Pagbasa na, di ba? Pwede mo ipatuyo dyan. So, this is really a resort. As in resort na resort talaga siya. Yung, isipin mo parang siyang Mactan Shangri-La, ganon level siya. Pero sobrang affordable nitong hotel na to. And then, this is your restroom. So, you have your bathtub here with shower. Diba? Everything's provided. Lahat ng shampoo, conditioners mo, even lahat ng body wash mo. You have a very big mirror here. All of your amenities are also included here. Cotton buds, shower cap, whatever you need. Nandiyan may mga tissue pa rin tayo dito as well. Then soap, towels are all provided here. And then guys, alam mo ba, parang mga $100 lang to. So parang, if ever you can get it super cheap, pag minsan sa 4,000, may nakita ko lang sa 4,000 pesos lang ata to for one night, diba? So I'm telling you, if ever, why not try to go Penang? And then the ticket I got here, parang 12,000 pesos from Manila to Penang na to. Singapore Airlines pa yung nakuha ko. Kasi si Tongfu ang nag-book ng Singapore. Magkano yung Singapore Airlines ko na to? 200. Parang 200, diba? Mura, diba? O, diba? Yun, guys. And before anything else, feeling ko kakain na muna kami kasi pwede na. Sorry, binuksan ko kasi yung pinto. Gusto ko pinakita ko yung ito, yung kanina. Inumuna ako before anything else. So this is the first hotel here in Penang, and then after 2 days, we're going to switch to another hotel na naman. Parang kaming balik. Yun lang. Okay. Punta na kami sa night market, guys. Pero mapakita ko sa inyo yung sa baba na lounge rin. In fairness, ang ganda dito. Magkano lalabas? 4-5. O 4-5, guys. Guys, and then pagkita mo, ganyan na siya. So now, kakain na kami sa... Ay, may McDonald's!
Meron McDonald's sa tapat.
Sa tapat, guys! Ayan o, may katapat. Guys, we're walking, and then, makita ko sa inyo, in front of there, dyan pa yan. And, I think yun na yun. And then walking distance siya sa hotel. Guys, oh my gosh, I got this spicy chicken. Mukhang masarap kasi. Ang dami lang pagkain sa Family Mart. Parang ang sarap. May mga panoodle pa sila dyan, oh. Naman, oh, ayan na yung food namin, guys. I-try natin siya. Guys, dito kayo mag-withdraw dyan sa Ambank kasi walang withdrawal fee yan. Dyan ako nag-withdraw ng GCash just now. And wala siyang withdrawal fee. And I got the goodies from 7-Eleven. Sa tapat lang siya ng hotel. So yes, maganda yung location. Oh my gosh, may fruits. Ay, may burger, friends.
You wanna go to Happy Mart?
Ayoko. Bakit? Gusto mo ng Happy Mart? Ay, 7-Eleven eh. Oh, may KFC. May McDo. Gusto ko tingnan yung McDo. Sige, let's look at the McDo. So guys, tingnan na natin kung anong meron sila promotions. Ay, ito bago to. Ito wala tayo niyan. Ay, kita itong lunchbox. Burgers. Spicy meron tayo. Ito wala tayo. Ito wala. Beef burger meron tayo. Ayam. Chicken lang to, guys. Ayam is chicken, by the way. Ito yung gusto natin itry dati. Yung nasi lemak na bubur. Ano ba ang nasi lemak? Nasi.
Coconut rice.
Coconut rice. Ito family meal natin gusto yan. McCafe drinks. Wala tayong masyado nito. Cakes. Red velvet. Pero mukha siya ang Uber sa picture. Okay, ito naman. So dito 100 plus. Kasi ako namigay din sila. May banana pie.
It's gula melaka.
Ay, anong gula melaka?
It's the syrup.
Syrup daw yan.
It's very...
And then condiments. Sambal, alam mo. Yun lang. Good morning, guys. We're having breakfast. Tingnan mo naman ang breakfast, oh. Pak, ayan yung view mo. Wala nga lang aircon, pero pak, ang lawak ng buong dining area mo. Hanggang dulo pa siya, guys. We have eggs here as well. Ayan, oh, di ba yung mga eggs mo? And then, meron kang porridge station here, which is like, not good. You have porridge section, which is... And you have cereals, and the different breads, as always. And you have salad section there. And guys, wait mo. May pa-juice. And then may cha. And then tingnan nyo to, guys. Meron local coffee and tetarik dito. So later, kukuha ako niyan para matry ko. So, for me, this hotel and resort is good. For its price, sobrang sulit niya. So, yes. So, we're gonna have breakfast.
Ang sarap. Grabe. Sarap.
Una na ko yung tofu ng coffee because hindi mas... sige. Ano ba kunin natin? Hot ba dapat?
Tapos, this one.
Oo. Add flavor. Sige.
This one, I think.
Hindi. Okay na yan. Ay, wow. Thank you so much for the coffee. Guys. Wow, ang ganda. Tapos wait lang, nalagyan natin ice kung kulang.
Oh, sakto. Galing.
Yeah, my coffee. Good morning. Guys, this is the pool. Cute, guys. So, meron ganito siya. Not bad. I mean, for a resort na ganyang price, cute. I mean, I'm here. This is it. This is the beach here. Guys, ayan na. Titingnan ko kung ano pa pwede kong gawin. Nag-gym na kami ni Tongfu. And then now, tinan mo yung mga order niya, friends.
Diyan na punta.
Walang french fries. Walang kakap. Tinan mo yung ano niya for the chicken, guys. Oh, I'm gonna swim, guys. That's why I'm like in my outfit. Sarap nito, guys. Magkano to?
220 pesos.
220 pesos, guys. Ang mura, oh. Masarap talaga dito sa Penang, guys. For me, try to book the SQ. Si Tongfu naghahanap ng SQ na flight ko. Mga 12,000 lang siya o 13. 15. Tapos itong room, di ba? 4 plus. Bakasyon na talaga siya. Sobrang sulit niya. Kaya paminsan, I know that I love my country so much. Pero ang mahal. Parang, yung pera mo goes so long here versus we spending in, let's say, going to, no hate in Palawan, Boracay. I love it. Ang ganda. Pero ang mahal, if you want a resort na ganito level, Shangri-La, Boracay, guys, alam mo magkano yun? Parang 30,000 a night. Tama, di ba ito? 30,000 siya a night. Tinignan ko yung presyo, OA, nagulat ako. Parang hindi ko kaya magbayad ng ganung kamahal for a resort. Tapos dito yung jet ski na tinanong ko, 300 Malaysian ringgit, that's around 400 pesos lang. Ano para sa'yo tayo at saka jet ski? Magkano siya?
Queens and kings of everything. On you. Queens and kings of everything. I've been wandering in the dark with a cynical, faithless heart.
Guys, we're going to Siggy Bar. So, kasi si Tongfu, meron, wait lang, clean the lens. Meron siyang parang free na pizza from as a Jade member. So, we're gonna get it and we're gonna try it out. And this is the Siggy Bar. Ito yung parang restaurant nila. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ganyan siya, oh. Ganyan siya, oh. Push. Guys, ito yung mga menu. And then we got a pizza daw. So, may pizza daw, oh. Oh my gosh. Guys, look at the pizza. It looks good. Ang bilis. We got the ragu. Oh my god, the ragu looks good. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm now in like Kimberly Street in Georgetown. So this is a UNESCO heritage. Tapos, in fairness, ang ganda. So, it's around ilang kilometers? Tongfu, 12? It's like a 12-kilometer drive from our hotel. Pero ang ganda here. So you get the snacks. Tapos, you see street food. Parang ang daming Chinese character. Parang sa Chinatown. Para tayo sa Chinatown, guys. Parang kaming sa Binondo. Kasi when you see the streets, oh, ganyan. And then UNESCO siya, so hindi mo pwedeng i-build. You cannot build on top of any of these things. Oh, parang sarap ito. Alam mo, kumain na kasi kami, guys. Kung hindi kami kumain, dapat hindi tayo kumain, to be honest. Eto, dito tayo mag-dessert. Penang Popia. Okay, dito kami. So, ang dami yun. Burbur Cha-Cha pala ang tawag. Oh my gosh, ang dami yung dessert, guys. Tingnan nyo. Oh my gosh, Grass Jelly. 仙草系列、泡冰系列、瓜冰 smoothie. Oh my gosh, look at this. Meron pang 小吃. May Tom Yum Maggi Mee. Oh my gosh, guys, ito yung menu. Chunjar. Ito na, o diba? Meat Fresh. Pumunta ako ng Penang para kumain ng Meat Fresh. So guys, malalaman natin na.
Kailangan kasama yung taro, yung bird, and yung ball. Sarap. Sarap. Sarap.
Tumimit na ako.
Sarap.
Ano mas masarap? So guys, yes.
I'm home. Well, titignan back to the room. So we had drinks. Ito, tulog na siya. Ako. Tapos ko lang maligo, guys. Hindi naman very important sa akin. Tapos na maligo. Then, dry your hair. Huwag kang tutulog. Hindi dry yung hair mo. I drank vitamins also kasi, alam mo na, napatihati tayo. Tomorrow maglipat kami to a new hotel. So, see you there.
Checking out. So, whatever you do always, final check mo. So, here are my bags. Tapos lahat final check tayo dyan. Yung kape, uuwiin ko yan talaga. Hey guys, we're going to change and we got a buggy that will help us. Ang cute ng buggy namin. Free yan from Golden Sands. Imumove ka to Rasa, which is katabi lang. So, ayan na siya. Tingnan natin yung itsura natin. Ito na siya. Inaalagaan yung bag ko, guys. Yung sa likod na bag. Siya naglagay niya.
Nakabahan ako.
Maladaglap niya.